This is the African vine na leo tunakuja na new vibes. Na leo ni mama ni watembeze hadi to the deepest part of the Kakamega forest. Now this is the only amazing section of the Kakamega forest whereby we have gotten a planted forest. This is a type of planted forest ambapo ukiangalia around, turn around the camera, yo manager, turn around the camera so that people can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is the type of planted forest we are trying to imply in Kenya, and if you turn on my videos there down, utazipata ni mingi. So this is what we are urging Kenyans to do. We want to facilitate this activity to go all around the nation so that we can finish this issue of drought and famine in Kenya. And actually ukitaka this happen to your area, just click pale kwa my channel, subscribe na comment pale, piga like kama zote, na tutasema hiyo ni kitu amazing na tutafurahia sana. And as you do that, we'll give you a great and amazing bonus for you. Actually we have an amazing bonus. Tebuta pale chini kwa bell. Okay, 1 2 3. Amazing, you're gonna get it.